Okay, here we are looking at the Therma Forma freezer. We got this out of a Monsanto research facility. They sold it to us. It is a model 8558. We have left this unit running. We've let it run by itself for a whole week to check its performance. It performed excellent. Here we're looking at the display here. It is at minus 53 degrees Celsius. Its maximum low temperature is minus 86 degrees Celsius. The way this freezer works is you set the low limit range and the high limit range for your temperature, and it keeps it within that range. It does not stay at an exact temperature. It will vary within that range, but it will keep the chest within that range. This is a look inside the chest here. Very cold. You see the edge there, it's got some frost on it. Got these styrofoam pieces, these come with it. Okay, after we opened it there, you can see it dropped it a few degrees. That is normal, that's to be expected. We're going to go over checking the low limit temperature. So you would click this button, you would see this 1 up here, and what that's doing is asking for a factory set code. The factory set code is 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Okay, now you look at the display here, you can see it's minus 65 degrees Celsius. That means that if the temperature gets colder than this, you will hear an alarm. To check your high limit temperature, you would click the high limit button. You would see the 1 up here again. You enter your factory set code of 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. And now you can see the high temperature is set to minus 45 degrees Celsius. To set your control set point temperature is a little bit different. You would click the button. It's asking for the access code again. You see the 1. You hit 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Now you can see that it is set to minus 55 degrees. And what this means is once the freezer reaches this temperature, it will actually shut down until it needs to restart and cool it off again. In order to change this, if you will try to hit the arrows, it won't do anything. You have to go to the back here where there is a screwdriver. It's always stored right there in that spot. You bring it around here, and in order to change it, you put it in this hole and turn it. See, you can change it there. I just lowered it. I am now going to turn it back to minus 55 where it was originally set. There is a couple of things that this freezer needs. It needs a new filter for the front here. And the low battery light is on. One of the reasons why we left it run for a week is to see if it would charge and eliminate this, but it did not. And I called customer service. They're very friendly and eager to help with these, even if you bought it used and you want to make it run perfectly. The battery is behind this panel here, which I will take off in just a minute and show you. They said it would probably need a new battery if the low battery light has not gone out, and it has not. So they told me that was a $185 repair, and I will show you that battery in just a minute. This freezer can run without the battery. The only thing the battery does for you is if it were to start to if it lost power and it were to get below or above your temperature ranges, it would stay running for a period of time and be able to alert you with the alarm system. I have the panel removed here so you can see the battery. This is a real easy replacement. You would remove those screws there, remove those 2 wires, slide the other one in, replace the wires and screws, and you would have a new battery installed. This freezer is equipped with wheels so that you can wheel it around. We have it fastened to this pallet so that we can move it very safely with a forklift.